G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm cheek up to our ripping episode. Today we're going to look at Peltor earmuffs. They're electronic earmuffs. They're the tactical type. So what you do is you can switch them on, you put them on, you've got a couple of switches on the side here that turn the volume up or down. You switch them on or off and you can control how much noise comes through. You can even exaggerate the noise that's coming through. So it kind of gives you supersonic superpowers by putting these on, and you can hear things really, really well with them. And then as soon as a loud tool goes off on side, it shuts it down so it doesn't hurt your ears. These are the top of the range earmuffs. I've had a pair of these for probably about 5 years, but I was teaching and somebody stole them from me, the absolute mongrels. So I wrote a letter to Peltor and I didn't get them for free. I still had to pay all of the stuff. I could not get these in Australia. I had to get them imported from America. So I'll see how they go. They seem to be extremely good so far. They're very comfortable on the ears. You can hear everything I'm saying. Hi, Cuddy. Power on. But the best part about it is that I can hear everything on the outside, and then that just shuts that out. So they're worth every single solitary cent that you pay. If you don't want to have ears on where it restricts what you're hearing, sometimes that can actually be a safety hazard on site. The other thing is this new band that they've got. It's a rubber band and you can actually just hook that over a little hook on your nail bag if you want to. They're a little bit hefty as in the weight of them. The cost of them in America, they're about $250. Transferred, they cost me $350 thereabouts, plus transfer fees or importing them into Australia. I didn't have to pay that because I had written a letter, as I said before, and they did come to me. So these are also Bluetooth compatible. So I'll try them over the next couple of weeks and I'll see that. I think that's a bit of I'm not really listening to music while I'm working. I'll be working away and talking to the boys. I think that's a lot safer, unless I'm by myself in the factory, and then I might, but then I'll just probably have a radio on. Anyway, any questions about the Peltor Tactical 500? Oh, hang on, before I go. There is the Tactical 300. Now the Tactical 300 is less decibels. So these ones reduce the decibels by 26, and the Peltor 300s, I think they reduce them to 24 or 22 decibels. I'm not sure. So they're a little bit less, but they don't have Bluetooth, and there's a few other things that they don't have either. Any questions about those, flick it over and I'll answer for you best I can in a couple of weeks, because I'll try these out properly and I'll tell you how they go. Like always, stay unreal banana peels, and I'll see you soon.